Are you ready to discover one of the most exciting AI tools just released? In this Quizomatic Flashcards AI review, I'm diving into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this new software and how it can totally transform your study sessions, learning habits, and even your business content creation. Stay tuned till the end because I've got some key insights that you won't find elsewhere. Now, before we jump into the review, if you're curious about testing out Quizomatic flashcards for yourself, you can grab a free trial by clicking the first link below. You'll get the full experience without spending a dime, and I'll show you exactly what this AI tool can do. Let's start by talking about how Quizomatic works. This software uses AI to help you create custom flashcards from any type of content, whether it's a textbook, article, or even your own notes. The software processes the text and automatically generates relevant questions and answers, making studying way more efficient. Whether you're prepping for a big exam or learning new material, Quizomatic can handle it for you. One of the standout features is how it personalizes learning. Quizomatic doesn't just spit out random flashcards, it adapts to your learning progress. The more you use it, the more it learns your strengths and weaknesses, adjusting the flashcards to make sure you're getting the most out of every study session. This personalized approach makes it way better than traditional flashcards or static study tools. Another great thing about Quizomatic flashcards is the ease of use. You don't need any technical skills to get started. Just paste in your material, and within seconds, you'll have a set of flashcards ready to go. For anyone who's new to AI-powered learning tools, this one is incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. If you're wondering about its versatility, don't worry. Quizomatic works with a wide range of subjects and formats. Whether you're studying for school, preparing for professional certifications, or even creating training materials for your business, Quizomatic can handle it. It supports multiple languages, making it a solid choice for international users or anyone wanting to study foreign languages. One feature I find particularly valuable is its spaced repetition system. This system helps you focus on the cards you struggle with the most, improving your retention. It's backed by proven learning techniques, so you'll actually remember the information in the long run, not just for a short-term test. If you're looking for collaboration features, Quizomatic has you covered. You can share your custom flashcards with others, making it perfect for study groups or even content teams working together. Whether you're learning in a group or teaching a class, the ability to collaborate on flashcards adds tremendous value to the tool. Now, let's talk about pricing. This is where Quizomatic really stands out. For a software packed with so many advanced features, the cost is surprisingly affordable. Plus, remember that you can try it completely free through the link below, so there's no risk in testing it out for yourself. At the end of the day, Quizomatic Flashcards AI is shaping up to be a game changer. It's simple, personalized, and super effective at helping you learn faster and more efficiently. If you're serious about mastering new information, whether for school, business, or personal growth, this tool is definitely worth your attention. And before I wrap up, I want to remind you that I've tested thousands of AI software tools, and I've included my recommended list in the description below. So, if Quizomatic isn't quite what you're looking for, there's a good chance you'll find something else that fits your needs. Be sure to click the link and try Quizomatic for free. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next review.